Okay, confession time. I made a video ad with no actors, no camera, no editing, and watermelon. Yep, a literal watermelon. And it turned out awesome.
Are you tired of fruits that don't explode with joy? Introducing watermelon. Hydrating, delicious, and 92% better than your ex. Be cool, eat watermelon. Now available everywhere that sells fruit.
Then I made one for body spray that causes sudden attractiveness, and even a perfume ad.
Warning, this body spray may cause sudden attractiveness. One spray and boom, you're legally charming. Smell good, feel legendary. Crocodile, body spray, because soap can't do all the work.
I do it with headphones.
Tired of hearing? Introducing Silence 3000. Just kidding, it's actually headphones. Crisp sound, deep bass, and the power to ignore life. Your ears will thank you.
Want to know how? Today I'll show you exactly which AI tool I used, how it works step by step, and how you can use it too for your website, e-commerce store, or social media. Let's jump in. What is TopView AI? TopView AI is an all-in-one online platform that helps you make professional-looking videos using artificial intelligence with no camera, no editing software, and no experience needed. It's perfect for product sellers, digital marketers, influencers, small business owners, or literally anyone who wants scroll-stopping video content fast. Key features of TopView AI. When you land on the dashboard, here's what makes TopView AI stand out. Product avatar. Upload a product image, choose an avatar, and get a full video. Video avatar. Talking head videos from your script. AI voice generator. Realistic voiceovers in tons of languages. Photo avatar. Make still images talk. Long video to shorts. Instantly repurpose long content into short-form videos. AI image creator. Generate thumbnails, ads, and visuals. No editing. No headache. Just click, type, and export. Why you need this tool? If you're a seller, you can create pro-level product videos without ever hiring a model. If you're a content creator, you can scale your production with just a few clicks. And if you're a marketer, you can make engaging video ads in multiple languages instantly. Let's sign up. Go to TopView.ai or click the link in the description. Hit sign up and either use your email or log in with Google. You can use this promo code at checkout to join for only $7. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard where all the magic lives. Using Product Avatar. Now let's walk through Product Avatar, TopView's most popular tool. Here's how it works. Click Product Avatar. Choose your presenter: male, female, young, mature, casual, formal. There are 1,000 plus avatars. Upload your product photo. TopView automatically removes the background. Resize and position it to match the avatar. Click Generate Product Position. Get 3 pose options. Don't like them? Click Regenerate. When you are happy, click Convert to Video Avatar. It'll take 1 or 2 minutes to create a video avatar. Tip: in auto mode, you can adjust prompts for more control. Prefer full control? Switch to manual mode to manually place your product. Our video avatar is ready. Currently it's syncing lips to the default script. Let's check it.
I'm a product avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use product avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
Click on Use My Script. Here is our avatar, and here we'll paste our script. You can write your script on ChatGPT. Paste your custom script in the script box. Pick a voice from TopView's AI voice library or upload your own. TopView will auto lip sync the avatar to match the audio. Pick your video resolution: 720p or 1080p. Click Export and done. In under 10 minutes, you've got a polished video ready for your store, TikTok, Instagram, or ads. Here is our final ad. Let's have a look.
Tired of hearing literally anything? Introducing Silence 3000. Just kidding, it's actually headphones. crisp sound, deep bass, and the power to ignore life. Your ears will thank you, eventually. Dino headphones block the noise, not the vibes.
Image to product video. From this single headphone image, I've created this video with TopView. Look how amazing this is! Let me show you how you can also create this kind of stunning image to product videos with TopView AI. From the dashboard, go to Image to Video. Here upload your image. Then give your prompt for the video animation. Select the quality and duration. Choose number of generations. I'll go for 1 generation. Click on Generate. It'll take around 1 minute to create a stunning product video. Product Avatar. On the dashboard, click on Product Avatar. You'll see 2 options: Auto Mode Simple plus Fast, Prompt-Based, Manual Mode Custom Placement, more control. Beginners can start with Auto Mode, but if you want to match product positions precisely, try Manual Mode. Choose an avatar. Browse the library of avatars: male, female, young, mature, formal, casual. Pick one that matches your product's tone or audience. Click to select it. Loads instantly in the preview. Tip: if your product is fashion, beauty, tech, food, or lifestyle, choose avatars from relevant product templates. Upload your product image. Upload a clear product photo, preferably on a white background. TopView Auto removes the background. Your image now appears in the avatar's hand or mapped position. Adjust product placement. If using Auto Mode, TopView Auto suggests 3 poses where the avatar naturally holds your product. Click Regenerate if the options don't fit. Pick the best pose. Add a script. Scroll down to the Use My Script section. Paste your custom product pitch. Choose a voice from the library: male, female, casual, pro. You can preview the voice before generating. Choose your language if needed, multi-language supported. Convert to video. Once your product image, avatar, and script are ready, click Generate Video. Choose resolution 720p or 1080p. TopView will process and generate your product shoot video. It usually takes under 2 to 5 minutes.
Are you tired of fruits that don't explode with joy? Introducing watermelon. Hydrating, delicious, and 92% better than your ex. Be cool, eat watermelon. Now available everywhere that sells fruit.
Pricing breakdown. Here's the pricing as of now. Free plan, 10 credits month, 2 watermarked videos, 100 plus avatars. Starter plan, 10-month build yearly, 120 HD videos, no watermark, 50 GB storage, 1 voice clone. Business plan, 600 plus videos, API access, long-form support, 300 GB storage, 10 voice clones. But with this special discount code, you can get started for just $7 only. That's a steal! If you're ready to ditch the camera, skip editing, and create stunning AI videos in minutes, click my affiliate link in the description or pinned comment. Use discount code to join for just $7. Don't wait, this deal won't last long. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, hit subscribe to the Tutorial Lab because more this kind of videos are coming, and drop a comment below. So, what product are you going to turn into a video first? See you in the next one, and happy creating!